Turning your engine 1E4 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the starter here, no problem. On top, everything from this side is good, no problem. And this engine, the water pipe here, no orange pipe, very nice, no problem. And the turbo, didn't see any just from outside here, very nice, very good. And the fan is turned very good, and it's no up and down. Alternator here also good, no problem, very nice. Down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.